love you.
Happy birthday! It's cake fight time!
Oh! Yes, indeed.
You done made a kid's birthday.
You
Head ass gang, 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 on that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head ass, hot pocket head ass.
What's up, head ass gang? It's your boy Funny Mike. You tune in today's vlog, and today is Jay's birthday.
What you choking on?
Huh? Hey man, what's wrong with you, dog?
What's up?
What's wrong with you, dog?
Happy birthday, Jay!
Happy birthday, Jay! Hey, y'all, before I... Oh, God, dog. Hold on, let me tighten that up.
Tighten it up.
Candyman. Wait, what?
I mean, yes.
What you say, dog?
Man, that's my movie.
Man, that nigga crazy. What up, too? What you got going on, dog?
Man, I'm waiting on this boy Jay for his birthday.
Man, check this out, man. He got on the stupid fly hat, so y'all know what that means. Go to the link and cop the merch. Hey, but look, check this out. It's Jay's birthday today, you guys.
Yeah.
And guess what? We're going to throw him a little party. We might go out to eat.
Right.
But I'm going to surprise him with a dirt bike. He's been asking his mother. I just called her.
Yup.
And she was like, okay, well, this morning he came to me. He was like, well, since I'm not getting a dirt bike, Mom.
Just give me some money.
Just give me some money. But guess what, you guys?
His best uncle finna get him a dirt bike. And guess who got a
Y'all know I just bought a dirt bike for
Right.
the house recently.
Right.
A little small pocket one.
But this
guess
a big
what?
boy.
This is going to be a big boy just for Jay.
Yeah.
A 2018 big boy rider. Show me how you gonna jump on that thing, bro. Well, crank that up. Crank that bitch up. Crank that bitch up. Crank that bitch up. And no, do the big fella. Do the big fella.
Lean left and lean right and do that motorbike. Yeah, when I come to it, you better move. You better.
Crank that bitch up. Crank that bitch up. Crank that bitch up. Yeah. Oh no, dog. Oh.
Gay!
Say, bro, you gotta stop doing that on my
Okay,
vlog.
yeah, it's going down today. Jay birthday. You know what it is. Dirt bike time.
But check this out, man. We're finna go to the dirt bike place, and we're finna go see which dirt bike we gonna cop.
Yeah.
Wait, hold up. Before I do on game, you know I gotta make a shot on the basketball.
Yeah,
bro.
let's
Throw
get
it
it.
here, dog.
Let's get it.
Throw it here, dog. Throw it here. Who? Oh,
Let's get
that little Romeo.
Oh.
Just don't know.
Ooh, so fat. Oh,
Across the floor.
oh. To my mind like.
All the time. Oh. Hey, y'all, guess what? Kevin Durant followed me like, I don't know how long ago, and he still followed me. That's my guy.
Right.
So go to Kevin Durant page on Instagram and say,
Yeah.
Funny Mike loves you.
Right.
Good, you do. Hurry up. Hurry up. Oh. Oh, nah. All right, y'all, we'll never make that. So tune in, man. We're finna go get this dirt bike on. See, y'all remember I got this dirt bike right here. That's the smaller version. I'm finna get Jay a bigger version because this is for the house. But the dirt bike I'm finna get is personally for Jay because it's Jay's birthday. Crank it up and show him what you gonna do in the garage, dog. Show him what you gonna do in the garage, dog. Cut up. Cut up. Cut up. Go ahead, cut up. Cut up. Now you scared, dog. Get here. I'm gonna show you how to cut up. Man, let me show you how to cut up, dog. Hold this, man. Show you how to
Let's
cut
get
up,
it.
dog.
Dude, you better.
I ain't gonna fall, nigga.
Let's get it.
I've been doing this for a long time.
Oh, what? Dude, pick it up.
I'm scared of that.
Dude.
Everybody's not with me. Tune in on game. But we know we got a freestyle
Yeah,
set.
let's get it.
Want it with that game.
Yeah.
I'm that Mike.
Yeah.
If you play with me,
Yeah.
I'm gonna crank that dirt bike. Riding Willie Trap.
Yeah.
Tuki on the side.
Yeah.
Ooh, and
Go, go,
four
go.
eyes. Riding Willie Travis.
Yeah.
We keep it too.
Yeah.
Play with Travis,
Yeah.
you gon' end up on the news.
Ah!
Ooh.
You already knew. Ooh.
Alright, gang, check. We back at the dirt bike shop. And this is the one right here. It's a bigger version of the other version. It's a 2018 right here. So this is the one we're gonna roll with right here. It's on sale, so let's rock out, man. What you think? You gonna like that? Make sure y'all hit the link in the description and go get that bad kid merch. Yeah, that's the one we rocking with right there.
What happened to the last two security
Shit, I don't know, dog. I don't know, bro. That's the that's the question, huh? Hey, but this thing is really big. Hey, let me try it out right quick.
Yeah, you try it out. Ooh.
That's the one right there, babe.
Yeah, that's the one.
I'm gonna get that. Let's tune in. I like it. I think Jay's gonna like it. Check this out. This is the guy who helped us last time. Let him know. Explain what's your name.
Yeah, boy, Gabe.
Y'all already know what it is.
Funny mic up with the bikes, bro.
Yes, indeed, man. Alright, y'all check this out. This the helmet that we got Jay. You hear me?
Yeah.
Check this out, man. You know it's lit, man.
I'm finna test it first.
You finna test it? Alright.
Yeah.
Show me how you gonna be on that. Crank that thing up. Crank that thing up. Crank that up. Zoom. You gotta pick it up, dog. You gotta pick it up. Pick it up. Let me see. Zoom. Dog, what up, Try? You finna ride it?
Hey, it's up.
Boy, don't tear that man stuff up. Already dropping the man helmet, dog. You clumsy, dog.
Hey, it works.
Yeah, it worked. It worked, though. But
yeah, I see.
don't tear it up already, dog. Get on it.
You gotta pull the clutch in, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now push it down, shift down. That's first.
That's first.
Now everything else is up.
Oh,
Everything else up. All right, check this out. My boy Gabe, man. Shout out to Gabe, bro. He did a phenomenal job. He got it delivered to us, bro. And this is gonna be a good surprise, Gabe. I really appreciate you, man. Already, man. Y'all go follow Gabe on Instagram right now. On game.
Gabe not Gabby, bro, on Instagram. Hit me up.
On
Got
game.
some videos,
Go to his page right now and say thank you, Gabe. I need everybody to go follow him and say thank you, Gabe, because he made this happen for Jay today. On game. Bet you think Jay gonna be excited?
They might cry.
He gonna cry? I don't think he gonna cry.
You should have got?
What?
Stickers and put J on him.
Jay, huh?
Yeah, we going to Walmart.
Yeah, we're going to rock on what? Bad Kid Jay, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be lit. We put Bad Kid Jay. He gonna like that, dog.
He gonna be
and it's
stunning.
way bigger than the other one, dog. This one way bigger than the other one, y'all. Jay is gonna love this thing. This is a 125. You hear me? The other one is a 50. Oh yeah, he gonna love this. I don't think he ever had one this big.
He never had one this big. He been trying to get one.
Yeah, he gonna love this. What up?
What's
Today is
up?
Jay's birthday, so you gotta say happy birthday, Jay.
Happy birthday,
I'm
Jay.
telling you, it's gonna be lit, Jay.
You gonna say happy birthday?
Oh, we can't hear you. We can't hear you. Wait, that look like Tori, dude. How you get here? What's up, my boy? What you been up to? You ready? You know what today is, right? Jay birthday? Now tell Jay happy birthday before you see this.
Happy birthday, Jay.
Say it louder before I skint your head.
Happy birthday, Jay.
All right, let's go. Where's my kill?
Oh, I know what he
Let me
did.
see.
Nigga put a mother. Ooh, that's longer than mine.
No, huh? Wait, what's wrong with you, dog?
What is you doing?
What I want, dog.
Wait, what?
Straight up, you know what it is, nigga.
Ooh.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, the dike is the same thing. We'll put that iron on your ass. Dude, what is you doing? Hey, can I sleep with you with that pillow?
Man, dude, I can't take you serious, dog. Come on. Let's get it. Where the party section at?
Also, look, I'm dropping that song.
What's that?
That this song gonna hurt.
What this sound? What, you seen it today?
Yeah,
What
she
she-
got me played off. I'm dropping
What she said?
I'm dropping that.
No, so you went back to school and seen that girl and what she told you, dog? What she told you? Oh, first cut.
Why you gonna hit him like this?
Look who done made it here, Michael. What's
boy.
up, dog?
I mean-
Man, why is you playing with him, dog? That dude, Travis. Y'all gotta watch Travis. Y'all ready? Y'all know what today is, huh?
Yeah.
What?
Jay birthday.
Yes, indeed, man. Jay, we are doing all this for
You
you.
got a Lambo.
It's low key, but you know, we love you, boy. What's that? That's a what? Who?
I said Jay got a Lambo. Now,
Man, shut up, dog. What's down? How you doing? Say what up to my vlog. Hey, I'm recording you too. Haha, we recording each other.
Yeah, get it.
On gang. Check this out. We need all them, dog. Come on, what this is? Silly string? Hold the whole box. Oh, dude, you gotta chill. Hey, we're gonna spray our hair. What color you wanna spray your hair, bro?
Man, dude.
Ooh, what color this is? What you gonna get the whole thing? Here go blue one. Blue.
Man,
Check, well, this
not
blue.
rinse
Y'all
off.
wanna do blue? It's this rinse off, spray on, shampoo out.
Here you go, temporary.
Temporary. Let's do it.
So you smart.
Get that blue one. Get that red one. You put that one back.
I want a red.
No, that's red right there. And people in hell want ice water. Put it back.
You think that gonna be enough for both of us?
Why you doing him like that?
Yes.
You always mean to him.
I'm always mean to you, dog.
No, you don't.
Shut
I
up.
bet you.
Bet who? Jaleel.
Yeah.
Jaleel, you gonna let him bet me?
Yep.
Man, I'll put my finger in your crack, Jaleel.
You want to say curve?
All right, we getting these birthday hats. Ooh, we gotta get that birthday boy for Jay.
Why can't you get the birthday girl?
He ain't no goddamn birthday girl, dog. Why you playing with him? Oh, look at these hats. Happy birthday.
Dang.
Look at this. Happy birthday.
Come on, Mike.
What's that, babe? You wanna hang up happy birthday? Well, check this out. It's a G party. We ain't really gotta do all that. We gonna turn up regardless.
Turn up.
Let's go to the baker section, man. Y'all know where we
Hey,
at.
Dad, can I get a PlayStation 2?
Huh?
Can I get a PlayStation 2? Hey, Dad, what game?
Yeah, we getting a couple party canisters, you know, just to turn up, you know. What else we can get?
Drunk tonight.
No, boy, you ain't getting drunk, boy. You better watch your.
Kelly something.
Oh no!
Oh, I want all you kids to come to my house. I'm gonna lock you in the closet. Huh?
Oh no! Yeah, I smacked his head talking about he trying to R. Kelly something, man. What's wrong with that dog? Hey, where we go fill it up at?
Balloons?
Do these tanks come with helium already?
Yeah.
No, it
You're
don't.
not finna buy that. What is you talking about?
That nigga always want to buy something.
Oh, let's get one of these
Pinata.
pinatas. Ooh, let's get a
Oh,
pinata.
we just can't hit you
Let's
for
get
a
a
pinata.
What?
I mean, just can't hit it. Just hit it right quick.
You tripping, dog?
Oh, my bad. Run over your ass. No, you short. Get your weight up. Come on, Mike. Get it. Get it.
Got it.
If Jaleel was up there, you'd have been got her. Come on. Say, boy,
Oh, dog.
stop playing with me.
Dude, you done
Stop
broke
playing with me.
Dude, broke the whole pinata, dog.
That's why you broke that.
Travis, you tripping, son.
Dude, come on, Mike. All that money you got buy now.
Why you wanna get the menu ones out of all of them?
Get your weight up. Look.
Oh, that fell on that lady.
I did it again.
Oh, it fell on that lady.
That nigga, he'll tear up, man.
Oh, he hit her. I told you.
You trip.
Man, you act like I tried to do that.
You did. You say, watch I hit this lady.
Oh.
Right there.
Yes, it was.
Dude, and a lady.
This boy, that's why I ain't going to Walmart with him. Son. Look how he just grabbed stuff.
What? Yeah, nigga, 38 triple one. Nigga, I grew up on that.
What?
Hey, Dad, what I can't have this. Valentine's coming up.
Man, get the.
No, dog. No, dog. Go put it back, bro.
Dad, why? Dad, I want it.
You ugly. Son,
No,
chill out.
Maybe you got the wrong one. Now you
You want to fly tonight?
Oh.
I'm just going to put on the fly.
Hey, say, y'all ever hear him say?
Say,
Now y'all know y'all gonna say yes.
No, put that back. I'ma say it for him because I know he wanna say it.
Y'all check it out, man. We getting another cake with his name on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
You know, thanks to these ladies back here making it happen for us. Y'all already know what it is. What up, dog?
I know it was a bag.
Man, why you gonna get all that chocolate candy like that, dog?
I couldn't find it. There wasn't anything else, I swear.
And so it wasn't no more candy. Stop lying.
There wasn't nothing else.
I want Bad Kid J on it.
Bad Kid J.
Yeah, Bad Kid J. He just trying to call me, matter of fact. I ain't answering the phone for you. What's wrong with him? He trying to get some secrets out of me. I'm over here doing that, man. I already got that. Tell her to. What? Man, I'm talking to the real 38 Jaleel. Shut up. What? This? I'm gonna get that to your face. I'm just playing, bro. I love you, man. You know I be joking, right? You love me?
No.
Bet. You don't love me no more, and I just, alright, bet.
Wait, you just what?
Don't worry about it.
You just what?
Don't worry about it. You don't love me, dog.
No, I do. I think I know what you mean by you just what?
Nothing. Oh snap. There you go.
Boy, you can't wait.
Bad Kid J. Why would she put your name on it, dog? Hey, Jaleel, stop putting your finger in my booty, dog. Hey, get your tail from back there, dog. What's wrong with you?
Why he back there?
boy, get your big heavy milk.
Get back here. Get over here.
I was using here as a kid.
Get over here.
You don't do that.
They let me.
They did not let you do nothing. Come on.
They didn't say nothing.
Here you go. Hold this trap.
I can't do.
Alright, Tuki my shooter, he can't hold nothing. But that iron. Yeah.
That man ain't gonna bust a grape, man.
Says you.
Oh yeah, you ain't. We know. You know you ain't gonna bust nothing.
Oh, I'll bust you.
Oh man, you tripping, dog.
Trevor's trying to steal. Why are you trying to steal these people's stuff? No, he just don't know what he doing. He's slow. Really, bro, just skinny.
You scared.
Come on.
Oh, I hold the camera. You.
No, 1, 2, let's go. Come on, man, let's get out of here.
This cake already paid for, huh?
No, that cake ain't paid for. You ain't see us pay for that cake.
Shoot, then let's go. Walk out of here like
You was not even built like that.
Well, see?
You would not walk out of here with that. You going straight to jail, gonna boo-hoo.
Alright, y'all, we just left Walmart, man, and I'm telling you, bro, we just got a little cake, you know what I'm saying? We just got some blow things, you know, we got a pinata, but I don't think we got enough Kenny in it, because little dumbass gonna go get some chocolate. I want some chocolate. What's wrong with you, Tor?
Keep playing.
Keep playing. You better watch that damn cake, I know that. You break that cake, I'ma break that ass. I'm telling you now. What up, my kill? What you been up to, little bro? Been coolin'?
Yep.
You ready to surprise Jay?
Yep.
Y'all know what I got him, huh? Wait till we get to the house.
Hey, what you got?
I got him a Lambo.
Oh, you serious?
Yes. Yeah. Like you know that young boy song? Yeah. 400 grand. I buy a Lamb and what?
Hey, chop the top off.
You broke? We what?
Rock out. Rock out.
Oh no, dog.
Ooh, I say rock
Say
out.
Trevor, I'm sick of you and that foolery, bro. You tripping, dog.
So you just gonna kick me off the team?
Yes, you off the team, bro. You gone.
I don't care.
Alright, y'all, freestyle session. We got young Michael in the building. Young Tukey, young Tori.
Wicked Boy Productions.
Hey, it's Jay's birthday party. Woo! Jay's birthday party. Jay's birthday party. Hey, woo! He wanna get surprised with some. Hey, surprised with some. Hey, it's Jay's birthday party. 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 I'm surprised that nigga. What you want, Jay? You want some fries? I know you want something with them big ass eyes. Just like your mama. Both y'all eyes the same. Big ass eyes, y'all can see everything. Jay's birthday party. What you wanna see? Jay's birthday party. What you wanna eat? Jay's birthday party. Do you want some cake? Jay's birthday party. We turned up every day. I think it's Jay's birthday party. Jay's birthday party. Whoop. Jay's birthday party. Skirt. He been what?
He been talking about this every day.
Swear. What?
He was saying his dad was gonna get it, but he never got it.
You know, they said he couldn't get it no more. He finna be happy, boy. You know what this is? This is a 125 seat.
No, that's 150.
No, 150?
Yeah, that's what it is. He said that's a 50, that's a 150.
Real talk? No, I thought that was 125.
That's what he said. He said, yeah, look at the paper, it's 150.
Oh, Jay gonna like that, huh?
Yeah.
He gonna like that. That's what he been talking about, though. You think he gonna like that?
Jump out his pants.
Oh,
I know he gonna jump. Where? Oh, the trunk. All right. You say he gonna jump out his pants?
Yeah.
What you think Jay gonna think about his dirt bike, bro?
I think he gonna be excited.
You think he'll be excited?
Yes.
Man, I'm telling you, Jay gonna love this, bro.
you did that for him.
It's bigger than that one. That one's small. This the big one right here. This is 150 right here.
150, baby.
150, bro. I'm telling you,
Who the
bro.
goat?
It's up. All right, y'all. We got Torg and Michael loading up the god doggone candy box. Put it up here so we can see what we're working with. Oh yeah. See now, you see what I'm talking about? It ain't got enough candy in there. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, we loading up the candy box. There you go. We got the cake right here. Bag here, J cake. And we got this cake right here. So we finna turn up.
Listen, man, you done made a kid's birthday.
You think so?
You got him a big gift right there.
You think he gonna like that?
Yeah.
You lying. You ain't gonna like that.
Yes, he will.
You gonna love that.
He loved the small one, even though it was small, he still loved it though.
Right. And that wasn't personally for him. This one personally for him.
Yeah, he gonna love
He gonna love that, dog. It's big. It's,
That gonna be an everyday thing.
I'm telling you, he gonna love that right there.
Yep.
Tune it out, man. We got more candy. Now we gotta fill it up. Tukin just went to the store and he went and got us more candy. So we got this, dum-dums, airheads, double bubble, airheads. Oh yeah. Now this the candy. This is what I'm talking about. Dude, Jatorg went got too much. We got cakes, we got Bad Kid J cakes and this. So tune in, man. We finna fill this up. Hold this too.
Oh yes, you
Whatever
did.
I say about you, I just said in your face.
Oh, you know what you said.
What I said, dog.
You said that
What I
the
said?
story is messed up in your head and you got the wrong chicken candy.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I
I was right behind you. You took it, you called me.
What I said, Michael?
You ain't saying that.
Alright. Peep it out, you hear me? Jay got candles to blow out. His 14 right here. Bad Kid J 14. He filling that up. Is it filled? Yeah. Y'all think so? On? Let's have a shootout, man. What up, man? You trying to shoot up? Come on, dog. Let's shoot it out, dog. You trying to shoot it out, Tori? Let's shoot it out, man.
I didn't make my money with me.
Huh?
I didn't make my money with me.
You don't need no money to shoot it out. Watch this. Pay me.
20.
Pay me.
Oh, I forgot all about Woo. Shut up.
I was about to pick him up.
No, you wasn't. No, you wasn't. How you gonna pick him up? You ain't got a car with them big titties, dog. You got titties, dog. Come on. Ooh. Don't do me nothing. Don't do me nothing. You did that. Don't spray that, Michael. Cause guess what? You spray that, I'm gonna blow the block out. You gonna see? Get your big ass head back, dog. Come on, dog. Don't spray that. Oh, that's the hair color. Oh, can I do yours first?
I want red.
Oh, you want red? Give it here. You what? You ain't no goddamn. Stop. I'm not playing.
What are you saying?
He blood gang.
Stupid ass idiot.
That
boy look like a red beard. Can I bust it?
Alright, your turn.
Hold up. I don't want this in my head. I want blue.
Ooh, alright.
Hold up.
Let me do the rest.
How I look?
No. You're not even trying. It's gay, bro.
Ooh. That mother big too.
I like the other one.
Which one?
The little one.
Y'all, look how easy it cranks up. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Alright, y'all, we just waiting to Jake get here so we can do this little miniature party. Nothing too big, but this is the big thing right here. That's the big thing. That's why we ain't doing nothing too extravagant, because that's the costly thing right there. What up, babe?
Salon.
Yeah, welcome to Fancies. Well, your hair can get the fancy.
What? And y'all picking all that. You spraying on the cake.
No, I'm not. I ain't going on the cake. Hold on, I'm gonna do like they do at the barbershop.
This boy here, son. He's stupid.
Don't trap them do that. Trap house. Alright, y'all, my chair has came in. It's the red and black computer chair. Who you talking to, dog? Alright, guys, the past time while Jay's not here, we're gonna put this together. This is a chair.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what you thought it was? Something hard?
I thought it was like another pool table.
Oh no, nah, this is chair. This should be simple. Let's pull it out. Look, this all he wanna do is jump. Hit a backflip. Go ahead. You don't wanna hit a backflip? You can't. Can you hit a backflip, Michael? I'm not trying to get him make his neck. We finna put this together right here, right quick.
God damn, man. You always got this complicated shit.
Man, that ain't complicated, dog. That snap in so easy. Let's go see what Jalil's doing. On game. What you doing?
We're gonna do, we got a 4D ultrasound today. In parentheses, guess who she look like?
I bet. On game. Y'all make sure y'all go hit that. Go watch that video because she's finna drop it now. We went and got a 4D ultrasound, you guys. It's so beautiful. Y'all just gotta go check it out. On game. It's on Funny Mike and Jalil's channel. What up, Michael? All the girls be at your top, huh? Pretty boy Floyd, huh? You know what you doing, dog?
Yeah.
What? It's just that easy. Just plug, 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 plug.
And that's it.
Plug, 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 plug.
Sound like what you was doing last night.
Oh no, man. What you mean? Wait, hold up. That sounds suspect, dog. Look at him over there finna lose all his goddamn weight. Jumping over there. I'm finna shoot Jalil's shoes into the goal. What's this? I missed that one. Too, dog, you might have to read the instructions, bro. You're not Mega Man. Alright, guys, this is my computer chair, and we're trying to put it together. I don't know what Tuki's doing. He think he know what he's doing by heart. God damn it, you guys, I done broke the goddamn thing, so now I got
Jay ain't gonna have a birthday because of you, idiot!
Who you playing with, dog? Stop playing with me, son. I've been around your scary ass out, dog.
Man, boy, you
What?
better turn your gangster
Man,
down.
you better turn your gangster down, dog. I'm trying to surprise my nephew. You trying to act like a bitch,
see,
dog.
you broke it. See, how you want to have a party? You break your nigga. Let a nigga break your face. Yeah, that's your
Man,
next
nigga, you need to go break that damn toothbrush in before you break anything, dog. Your breath smell like toilet water.
Ooh!
Alright, dog. Come on, Michael.
Yeah, you nigga better keep doing that.
Saying, nigga better.
Yeah, nigga better keep putting that, that bitch together.
Alright.
Yeah, I see a nigga steady putting that together.
I ain't
Yeah,
finna let you trick me out my position, dog. That's what niggas do. They try to trick niggas out their position.
Hey, Mike done put this up here, but it look like it's ripping, bro. Oh, look at it. It's ripping. Oh, man. Man, it's ripping.
Man, oh.
Why you was touching it?
Oh, it was about to rip literally.
Why you was touching it, man?
I wasn't touching it.
Yeah, you. So didn't he just touch it?
Yep.
Hey man, kids. I'm bored waiting on Jay, bro. I'm so bored. I'm bored, dog.
You act like one of the kids.
I'm bored, man. Damn, dog. I'm bored, man. I like to do stuff.
Damn.
I'm bored, man.
Give me a tattoo.
That dude gay, dog. What?
Give me a tattoo.
No, you know. Say. Don't never ask me for no tattoos. You a youngin', you hear me? I don't want to see you with no tattoos, bro.
Get to the wall. Get to the wall.
Man,
man.
what's wrong with you, dog? That man tripping, dog. Check this out, you guys. We're getting ready for Jay to come. You hear me? It's my birthday. I can cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. Oh, it's my birthday. I can cry if I want. Why y'all ain't singing with me, dog?
Okay. Happy birthday, Jay. Jay, do what you want for your birthday, Jay.
Oh no, dog. You tripping, dog. Hey. Do the woo woo. Hey, I want both of y'all to do the woo woo.
Ooh, boy.
No, I'm gonna do it with y'all.
Do the woo woo, bow. Do the woo woo, bow. Do the woo woo. Do the woo woo. Hit him.
Hey, put it on me. Put it on me.
Hit him. Hit him with that. Hit him. Oh! Woo!
Tukin and hooked up the chair. Yeah, lift it up, man. Hit the button. Is it liftable?
Lift it up.
Oh, all right. Just making sure, dog.
Float, dog.
Got us one.
Test 2. We trying to put it back up.
There you go. Nigga rig. That's the word of the day. Nigga rig is when you take something and make something out of something to make it work.
Yeah.
I can't take. Jay just texted me. He told me they're gonna be pulling up, him and his mom now. We got Jatork with the
Gonna say something, idiot.
What up? What up, dog? Y'all already know what it is. I'm excited, man. It's gonna be lit. I mean, we ain't got too much of a party, but we finna turn up, right? We ain't got too much of nothing, but we finna turn up, right? Right? Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they shoot.
Damn, I'm about to shot myself.
Man, you tripping.
Hey, you baby?
What up, Jake? Oh, give me a Jake.
Wait, hold on. Shoot you, dog. Happy birthday!
Get him! Get up! Get up! Get up!
Really, bro?
Jay, we got cake and no ice cream. And we got a pinata. You got nigga rigged up there?
You gotta hit it.
You gotta hit it.
Mike got $1 million in there.
Before we hit.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. What up, Jay? Real. Got you.
They know they was
Y'all know y'all was coming here?
Oh, they must ain't want to come with us.
Right there, dog. Let's go, Jay. We got 2 cakes, you heard me? Which one you like?
Yeah, which one you want to get your face buried in?
Let me see. Hey, which one you like, Jay? What you like, dead cake or dead cake?
Hey, I picked this one out for you, son.
No,
I picked that one out.
Stop stunning, dog.
I did that.
Which one you like, dog?
Oh, no.
I think we should sing happy birthday first. What you think, Turtle? Let's do it, man. Let me light it up. Babe, where you at? Come hold this right quick.
Oh, that's cold.
Red, dog. What the red one at? Oh, this
That
red?
is. Go and knock him out.
Take it up.
It's washing out, you hear me? So you can just wash this out.
Oh,
Yeah, you look just like them on Plank Road. I'm telling you, there you go, Jay.
oh Jay. Come here, Jay.
Come on, let's do it. Let's right.
Breathe.
Yes.
Let me show you where the light at.
Where the light? Where the light?
I gave it to you.
Hold on, ready? Y'all ready to say happy birthday, Jay?
Yeah.
Hold up, Cam, I don't hear you.
Uh-oh.
Do you ready to say happy birthday, Jay? Yeah! Okay, your mama hear you acting funny, huh? I feel that.
Okay.
That's it.
That's not my waves, bro.
That's light.
Ways. Them look like BBs to me.
Please don't stop me, Jaleel.
Here you go.
Let's get it.
I think it's too many candles, dog.
You think
You
so?
an idiot, man.
You still a little boy. How old you is?
I'm 12.
12.
Alright, y'all, this is not your average party. This is your nigga rig party. We put that up there with a car.
This mother cold.
So that means we came from the trenches.
We came from the trenches. I ain't never had what?
None.
I ain't never. That dude, that's so up.
No. Right. Come on, Mike, what you doing, man? You never burnt nothing down before?
2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Me. Happy birthday to you. Me. Happy birthday, dear Jay. Happy birthday to you. Still no dog, boy. No, why? You're so damn stupid, dog. Huh?
Why I ain't finished?
Oh, may the good Lord bless you. Okay, y'all niggas messing up a birthday song.
Man, come on, man. You ain't never had a real party, man. Let's keep going, man.
Alright, make a wish, Jay.
Let's get it. What you want to wish for?
He can't say that loud.
Ooh!
Chopper boy, Mackie all alone.
What?
Y'all know what time it is, right? It's cake fight time!
Oh, they cleaning all this up.
What you doing, dog? Where you at? You doing the wrong thing, bro.
Yeah! Home!
They cleaning all this up.
Wait, not this way. Stay in there.
Stay in the kitchen. In the kitchen. The kitchen.
There you go, Travis.
Travis, kitchen.
Yeah, I like that. What's my name? Huh? What's my name, son? Got it.
Hey.
I ain't got no more cake to slap you with.
Wait, who clean this up? Wait,
Oh, y'all?
Wait, who? Say, look, if I see now, I want 10 racks.
you want 10 racks?
Stop.
Alright, hold up.
Hold on. Now, who gonna clean this
They
up?
done tore this whole kitchen up, dog.
You.
Who gonna clean it up? Oh, I ain't.
Y'all open to clean it up.
Oh, snap. What up, dog? Ain't no bag up. What up, Jay? How you coming, dog? What's a bet? How you coming? Dog? Huh? What you trying to do? Oh, there you go. Oh.
Chopper boy, Mackie out.
That's how you coming, Jay?
No,
Alright, you want?
I'm good, bro.
You got it on my camera?
Oh,
Hey,
move.
hey, Michael, how you feeling? Hold up, Cam, you just been hiding. Come on. You don't want to do that. You scared?
Let's get him, man. Oh.
Let's go. Oh, dog, you just shot me on camera. I got you. Y'all, let me tell y'all something.
What?
It's finna get lit because we finna crack this pinata open. All right, Jay? Right, Jay? Oh, I like that. There you go. Y'all see how we put this up here? It's up there by a wire, but it kept ripping, you know? Already, let's do it.
Let's do it.
You ready to crack the pinata, Jay? Yeah. You ready? I don't hear you, dog. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
On!
Yeah.
All right, Charlie. Damn. Hey, they got me good, huh, Michael? That's your work right there, huh?
Man,
That's your work, huh?
Jay robbed me out in the face.
Huh?
Man,
Jay did what?
robbed me out.
He robbed you out. Hold up. I gotta get you right. I gotta get you right. Hold up. Swing, wait. Watch back out. Let me make sure he. No, wait, don't swing that hard. Just swing. I'm trying to see if you dizzy yet. Swing. Swing, dog. Swing. Oh, that light ain't on. I can't see. There you go. There we go. Spin. Spin, dog.
Oh no, I'm falling.
No, you're not, dog. Oh, hold up. Don't get dizzy. You ready?
Yeah.
Hold up. Hold up. Whoa, dog. I'm this way, dog.
What's that?
Swinging this way.
It's right there?
Yeah.
Ready?
Swing this way. Oh, whoa. There you go. Oh. That's the torque that way. That's the torque that way. Wait, hold up.
So you let me in my mouth. You let me in my mouth,
man. One more time, dog.
You didn't hit me in my mouth. Why?
I gotta swing you one more time. Let's go. Let's get it. Go. There you go. Hit it, Jay. Hit it, Jay. Whoa, dog. Hold up, dog. You too good. Spin one more time. Spin. Now go for it. Wait. Whoa. Hold up, dog. Spin.
I did spin.
Man, come on, dog. You tripping.
I'm tripping.
You tripping, dog. Hit it. No, what? There you go. Hit it. There you go. No, turn that way. Hit it. There. That's it. That's it right there. Oh, hit it. Keep hitting it. It's on the floor. Hit it, dog. Hit it. Rap it. Whoa. What's that? Oh. Who that's for right there, dog? What that is right there? Dog? That's you, man. That's you right there, dog.
Thank you.
You welcome, bro. That's you right there, man. Go get on it right quick. There you go, right there, dog. You like that, huh? I'm telling you. Got you. She don't know what a prank is, dog. That's you, dog. You like that?
This real?
Yeah, that's you, man. That's you, bro. He don't know what to say, bro. That's you, dog.
Oh, Jay.
Crank it up. He say to turn it off, bro. You gotta don't turn it off with the kill switch. Turn it off with the key, cause it got a battery on it.
4 down, 1 up.
4 down, 1 up, and then put it in neutral. You gotta.
Where's the helmet?
Oh, go get the helmet. Yay! That's your helmet, dog. I'm trying to tell you. You like that?
Oh, yeah. I love this.
Yeah, I already know it. Take me a picture. Let's go.
Thank you. I ain't even.
Let's get it, dog. That's a 150 right there. He happy. He took that thing out so fast he heard that motor. You like that?
I thought y'all should do something.
Do what?
I ain't know, but I thought y'all finna do something and I heard.
Crank it up again. Go ahead.
What it sound like?
What it sound like?
That's all he wanted.
What'd you say?
This is all he wanted for his
I already know. That's what my kid said. Yeah. That's all he wanted for his birthday. You just got to be careful on that thing, boy.
Yeah, very careful.
Cause that's a big boy right there. That ain't that small boy outside. That's that big boy bike right there. You say, what, you love me?
I love you.
He like that bike, dog. I know it. Yeah, you want to cry. He on camera. You ain't got to cry, dog.
Oh, I really got me a dirt.
Yeah, a big dirt bike. And that's your dirt bike. Straight up. That's your dirt bike. Let's get it. He like that. Full of cake. Then look at this kitchen now. This is gonna be a problem.
I can go down there with him.
Huh?
I can go down there with him.
Yeah, go ahead. Y'all be careful, bro.
Yeah. Hold your clutch first. Yeah. Always hold your clutch. That's gonna stop you from going. Now ease off. Don't
take off like that. You gotta ease.
Yeah, ease off until it start rolling.
There you go. What's that?
Ease off until it start rolling.
What's that? Oh yeah, I need a flashlight. Y'all ready to turn up? Oh, rolls up.
Better go.
Take off.
Go ahead, hit the gas. A little bit. Ease on the gas. Not hard.
Take off.
Just feel the speed. What that one is?
That's a 50.
I'm saying. That's on his clutch.
Jay out there riding that dirt bike right now. He liking that. What's that, man? You got cake all over you. What happened now?
Let the girls like your dirt bike.
You want to ride? I'm gonna teach y'all how to ride. That's gonna be my next vlog. Teaching the girls how to ride the dirt bike. What? What? On what? All right, my dude. Cam, what'd you say? What'd you say, Cam? Huh?
That looked like a big one.
They gotta be careful.
Y'all need to teach them how to start that thing.
He know how to start that thing.
Well, why he still down there?
I don't know. He just
there
gotta
they
learn.
go.
There they go. Here they go. They figured out how to do it. I got all type of cake in my face.
Too.
Hey, look, but I ain't gonna lie, it's successful. I mean,
yeah.
It was a nigga rig birthday party, but the ending was all right, huh?
Just right, boss man.
Just right. Travis, why is you so crazy, dog?
I love you though, bro.
You love me? I love you too, dog.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? There's more to come, dog.
More to come, cause I might get one next week.
Wait, what? Oh. This dude, he'll toe up, baby. Y'all tune in. Alright, gang, that's it for tonight's vlog. I need everybody to hit that like button and subscribe on gang!
Head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang.